So, as you see, this is the wall of snow that goes to my yard and up to my house. And they said last night 3 to 5 inches, and then for today 3 to 5 inches. Now people, does this look like 3 to 5 inches to you? That's why they call them weathermen, because they can't make up their mind whether it's going to be 1 inch or 5 feet. But as far as I could see, we've got 3 to 4 feet here. And it's all the way down, all the way around. The snow has stopped for now. There's some drifting snow. As you can see, I had to dig out my vehicle, put some salt down, which instantly melted everything. There's my garbage can stuck behind a pile of snow. And as you can see, that's about 3.5 feet tall, and it's almost covered. Can't shut the lid because it's stuck. So what do? Nothing. Fuck it. Oh, sorry. I got my path up to the house. We still have our wall, and I am not going in that snow, even though my friends want me to jump in there. That's not gonna happen. Y'all crazy. Y'all come out here and jump on it. It was like a bunch of mountains. So for you people who tease me, like somebody named Steve and somebody named Helen, hopefully you guys don't have to dig out like I just did. So, oh boy, look at this. This is crazy. So in other words, have a good night, and I'm getting out of here. It's cold. Just gotta figure out when the hell I put my shovel. Okay, bye. Oh. Reverse this. There, now you see me. I hope you can. In my Steeler outfit here, keeping me warm. Okay, bye-bye.